Hey everybody. Today I am going to do a big fridge clean. It's spring and I'm also kind of motivated. I want to get onto a bit of a meal plan and meal prep type situation. So we're a little bit more organized, and of course it just makes sense that I'm going to clean out the fridge and kind of see what we have for ingredients. I'm going to bring out everything that I have in the fridge, and it's going to get divided into one of three different groups. I'm going to have a discard pile, so of course things that are past due or just not good anymore, I'm going to get rid of them, of course freeing up some space in the fridge. I'm also going to make a pile of things that I want to use up, so those are going to go into my meal plan. Okay, so we have all the ingredients out of the refrigerator. I'm ready to do my clean, and there was a lot in there, a lot more than I anticipated, and it's gonna take a little bit of organizing here, but it's gonna be well worth it for sure. That's the hard part. It's clean. It really needed a deep clean, and of course you don't know until you've removed everything from your refrigerator how dirty it was. So I'm glad I did that. It's going to feel really good to get everything back in there and also have a good idea of what ingredients I need to use up. And there's the contents of my refrigerator. And as I'm putting everything back in the refrigerator, I'm trying to be mindful of kind of being organized. So we have kind of like ethnic ingredients and jarred ingredients, pickles and that type of thing. So we'll have a spot for everything. That might not last for long, but of course it'll be nice to start with that. And of course, I don't know about you guys, but I often find things in our refrigerator that are not marked in any way, shape, or form. And of course, you know, you can always do the sniff test. Damn, that's homemade barbecue sauce. See, I wouldn't have known. So I'm going to label that. All right, so I've put most everything back in the refrigerator. I've left out the items that I really want to use up within the next week. And I'm going to make a list of these. This is going to translate into my meal plan for the next week or two. So this is our after the clean. So as you can see, much nicer, much more organized. And by getting rid of some of the items that we're not using or haven't been using up, and getting rid of those has made a lot of room for everything else. So that feels really nice. Thank you for joining me. I hope this fridge clean was as satisfying for you as it was for me. Thanks for joining me.